Go, baby. Go, baby. Go, baby. Go, baby. You're drooling. Hey. Hi, baby. Oh, you working out? Are you working out? Are you working hard? Oh. You can do it. Oh, there goes your burp. You got it out yourself. You're funny. You're funny. Look up here. Look up here. Are you getting stressed out? Hey. Your bear? You think this is my bear. Let's get that drool off your chin. Ow! You're so dramatic. No, thank you. I don't want pizza. I'm making a video.
Oh, why are you doing that? Why upside down?
Because he gets burps out this way. He goes,
No.
ow! Ow!
It's like, ow, it hurts.
Ow! He's so
It's
He's wired off the sugar.
I say don't do that.
Rest.
Please don't do that.
Okay, you're done. Okay, you're done.
He's
Okay,
tired,
okay.
You're tired, right?
Mom, you're giving him ideas. He was fine until you came.